how to download MetaMask on your Google Chrome. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download MetaMask on your Google Chrome. So first thing we do is we go to extensions, and now you will find a lot of apps here, but if you want to find MetaMask you will find it here in the recommended option here. And if you didn't find it here, just go to the search bar and click MetaMask and click on here, and then click on add to Chrome like this, and then choose add extension. Now you wait a few seconds after the download starts, and here you go. Now the extension, it's here as you can see. Now we uploaded the MetaMask in our Google Chrome. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.